Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, and my name is Victor Shamaki. So today we're going to look at how to resize a layer, an image without losing quality. So first and foremost, I will show you how you can lose the quality. First, we need to create a new uh, layer where I'm just convert this to inches. So I have 8 by 11, right? So let me leave it like that. So we have this layer, right? So I'm going to bring in an image. So I'm just going to grab this image and I'll drop it here. Oh, sorry. Grab it and drop it. Okay, so we have this image here. And if we check the size of this image, let me go to the folder. Before we begin any operation, let's check the size of the original image. So if you check the size of this image, it is 3.64 megabyte and the dimension is 4000 by 5229, right? Okay. So I will drag this and put it inside here. Now we see that it's bigger than the frame. So let's reduce the size. So I'm just going to press Ctrl T because I want to transform it, and then I will hold Shift and I will hold Alt as well. So hold Shift and Alt, then you see that all of these are now white. So I'm going to just drag it so it's going down as if it's resizing well. So I'm just going to, it's flipped, sorry. Ctrl T, hold Shift and Alt. So just, all right. So it fits in nicely, isn't it? Now let's save it, export. Let's just save it. So let's go ahead, let's remove this and let's go ahead and check the image we just created. This is 849 kilobyte, sorry, and then the dimension is now 243508, which pretty makes it it has resized successfully, but we've lost quality. Right now, for us to do it without losing quality, now you just drag this, right? Drag this image, and I'm going to bring it in. I'm not going to drop it here, right? I'm going to drop it on this. Now, before it allows you to check it, it's telling you to look at, okay, is this okay for you, or you want to make adjustment before you finish it. All right. So once you agree to whatever terms that is, you click on OK. But note something very important. Now, the previous one, this, you see that here is plain, nothing is there. But this has this very symbol around here. Now it means it's a smart object. So smart object is that that tool. It's what Photoshop recognizes whenever you upscale or downscale a photo. Is you're actually working on that very object, not on the image itself. So it's more like a non-destructive element that aids you to either downscale or upscale without losing quality. So if I decided to draw this down, then I change my mind and I draw it back up, you will see that the image still has the same quality as I bring it. Why? Because of this smart object. So whenever you're bringing an image to the interface, if you have a layer you created and you want it to fit inside, you drag it and drop it inside, or you go to File and you open it directly and drop it inside. You place it, or you go to Place Embed embed. Oh, where is it? Where is it? Okay, sorry. Or you go to place embedded and then you place it inside the frame, right? So that it comes with smart object. Even if like this one now, let's say it does not have a smart object, you can also right click on it and convert to smart object. With this, it's going to allow you to have whatever you want to do non-destructively. So always make sure your this thing is on smart object, and then when you upscale and downscale, it preserves the detail of your image. So this is just how I used to do my work. It enhanced whatever you're doing and allowing it to have your detail preserved. So this is the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and stay tuned for more video, because we are currently just at day 3 of the 120 days challenge. So stay tuned. Don't forget, like, share, comment, and subscribe.